How to add users to Meta Business Suite account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add users to your Meta Business account in just a few simple steps. Whether you want to add an employee or another admin, I've got you covered. First things first, open your Business Suite account and then you would want to go to settings. Now, for that, what you want to do is go to the three horizontal lines on the bottom right and then tap on settings and go to people. And now here you'll see who has full control. Now if you want to add another person, you'll have to click on the plus sign on the top right. And now add the email of the person who you want to add as admin. Tap on next. Now here you can choose whether you want to give full control to the person or not. So you can also give partial access. So I have given partial access and then I tap on next. And now an email will be sent to this mail inviting them to join this Meta Business Suite, and they will have partial access to it. You can also change it to full access if you want to. If they have full access, they can also remove you as an admin, so keep that in mind. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.